Hello YouTube. I bought this Wi-Fi ceiling fan adapter thing for a standard ceiling fan, and leave that on the floor. I was going to show how it works with my phone and a remote, and I can't show you the app because I'm on the phone. Oops. And you can't see the blades, but you can see it spin. There's a delay in between. And the app works really good. I use the Genie app because I have Genie products, but I guess their app isn't very good. That's the instructions it came with. They weren't that good because on here it needs to say these are the in wires and these are the out. Me being the first time I set it up, there's a neutral wire right there, which is your white wire coming out of your ceiling, and that's a white wire coming out of the ceiling. I hooked them together, so it did absolutely nothing. But these are your in wires, and them are your out. I'll show you how I wired it up here. You do not use the bare wire coming out of your ceiling. Just sit there for a second. I'm gonna mount it up higher. I just wanted to make sure it worked. This is an older home, and somehow the bare wire is live. But your blue wire goes straight to the blue wire for the fan. This is a Hunter fan. Your white goes to your white common. There is no ground off the box. And then your black goes to the black for the fan. And this is just a normal Menards Hunter fan. I haven't tested everything out. I just got it going. The box does beep a little bit, and when you turn the light switch on, you have to leave it on for all this to work. When you turn it on, it beeps. I guess it kicks that light on. Yeah, and my housing is gonna go right over it. So I'm good. Some of them are smaller, and it is too big to fit in the box. The box that's above there, it's too big. And this sucker's big. I don't know really where I'd put it if I had the other style that was smaller. Hopefully this helps.